So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to lock individual chats on WhatsApp. So you can lock specific chats on WhatsApp either using Face ID if you have an iPhone or fingerprint if you have an Android phone. So what you want to do is open up WhatsApp. So here's a list of my chats. So just go to the chat you want to lock. So for instance, if you want to lock this chat, I'll tap on it to open it, and then tap on the name or at the top there. That's going to open the chat information page, actually the contact information page. So what you want to do now is go ahead and look for chat lock, tap on it, and it's going to say keep this chat locked and hidden, and you can enable it to lock this chat with either Face ID since I'm using an iPhone. If you're using an Android phone, it's going to lock it with fingerprint. So tap on that and then confirm. You're gonna need to, of course, scan your face or put in your passcode. Now all locked chats will be sent to this locked chats section, which you can access anytime. So whenever you launch WhatsApp, so let me try and launch WhatsApp. When I launch WhatsApp, you can see I can't see the locked chats. To see my locked chats, I need to swipe down. Under archived, I should see locked chats, and I can tap on that, scan my face, and now I have my locked chats here. That is basically how to lock individual chats on WhatsApp, either on iPhone or on Android. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.